Welcome to day 21 of a Movement a Day Qigong. This is our last day for this series. We're going to start with one foot forward, get right into it. As if you're holding a ball, and then bring it down and up. Turning the wheel. A nice flow for the microcosmic orbit. Exhale down the body, inhale up. Microcosmic orbit runs from the perineum up the back, over the head, and down to the mouth. That's the first part of it. That's the governing vessel, governing channel, the dew meridian. The second part goes from the mouth, the way we're rolling it, and down the front of the body to the perineum. So that's the flow we're following here. Inhale up the back, exhale down the front. So yeah, it looks like we're doing a wheel in front of us, but we're stoking that wheel that's within us. And when we move energy in the microcosmic orbit, we connect to source. We connect to the macrocosmic orbit, the flow of energy throughout the universe. And we're able to absorb that energy into the body. So this is the flow that can let you heal anything. This is the flow that if you're sick, degenerative disease, this is what you want to be doing. You want to be filling your body with qi. Very simple movement, lots of variations. That's why I decided, okay, this is when I got to this one, I'm like, oh, I want to do this variation, and I want to do this variation, and I want to do them all three together in one routine. So that's why I said, okay, we're going to wrap up this series, and we're going to go into multiple movements a day as our next target, maybe starting with microcosmic orbit, because it's so much fun. This is a very powerful old school Qigong. In fact, one of my first books I got explained how to get it activated. And usually you go point by point, starting at the perineum up the back. And the instructions were basically, you wake up in the morning, you have an erection, and you start moving the energy up to the next point, like the Mingmen, the door of life in the back, until your erection goes down. And I was like, what do you do if you're a woman? I don't get erections in the morning. Anyway, it was kind of funny. But those were the instructions. And you would just keep moving up to the next point until you got all the energy up there. And then you would get it all the way over the back. So we're kind of doing it a cheat way. If you kind of like this flow and want a more deeper healing, look for the microcosmic orbit routine, which I'll be publishing soon. Inhale up, exhale down. Just drop into it. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's switch our feet. Shifting the weight forward, shifting the weight back. Feeling the energy between your palms. Feeling the energy moving down the front of the body. When you move energy down the body, it naturally pushes that energy up the other sides. That's how we get the orbit going. So by focusing on this downward flow, the yang energy naturally arises up the back. Keep the tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth. That connects those two meridians, the dew and the ren, the governing and the conception vessel. And yeah, you just do this. Heal anything, calm the mind, clear the mind, just restoring those internal reserves of energy. When the body has plenty of energy, it can just naturally heal itself. You got this. You got the tools. Whether you're looking to overcome illness or prevent illness, these are the flows. This is your treasure chest. 21 movements. Keep you in perfect health. Remember, do them. Come on over to TESLI.CIRCLE.SO and join the community. We've got other stuff there, other classes, live stream, as well as a rich video library, all for free. Let's just do one more. Circle that. Bring the feet back together. Bring the energy down. Hold that ball in front of your center, your lower dantian, maybe pulsating it a little bit. See if you can feel that energy. See if you can feel the hand moving in front, actually stirring Qi within your body, moving your lower dantian. Thank you for joining me for these 21 days. And I look forward to seeing you at TESLI Circle or on YouTube here. Thank you for practicing with me today. You're amazing. I'll see you tomorrow.